Is capped losses and potential sky-high gains the most appealing aspect of options? Yes, but if you consistently buy calls because you feel the stock will go up, or puts because you feel it will go down, you might have lost a considerable amount over time. Even if each trade doesn't cost much, the losses can accumulate. This is due to the nature of probabilities. Is there a better option strategy for beginners? The answer might surprise you. It's short selling puts, aka writing puts. Don't get spooked by the idea that sellers face unlimited losses. If you take a closer look at how it works, you'll find that selling puts can actually be less risky than buying stocks outright. And the returns? They can be impressively high, often yielding a solid annual percentage. How does it work? Let's break it down with an example. Suppose Nvidia's stock is priced at $120. If you want to buy 100 shares at $110, you could place a long-term limit order at that price. After 30 days, the stock might drop to $110, and you'll buy it as planned. Or it might never hit that mark, and your order won't execute, leaving you with no gains. Selling puts, however, means you're essentially selling the value of that waiting period. Take the same scenario. You could sell a put option for Nvidia with a strike price of $110, expiring in 30 days, and earn a premium of $2.80 per share, for instance. For 100 shares, that's a total income of $280, excluding any fees. If, after 30 days, Nvidia's stock hasn't dropped to $110, the put you sold expires worthless, and you keep the $280 premium. You can then choose to sell another put for the next 30 days. Repeat this 12 times a year without the options being exercised, and your total income would be around $3,360. If at any point the stock does drop below $110, the put you sold will be exercised, meaning you'll have to buy 100 shares at $110. However, thanks to the premium income, your actual purchase cost will be below $110 per share. Thus, for those already looking to buy stocks, selling puts can be a strategy to earn additional income and reduce the purchase cost. It even has the potential to incur a lower maximum loss compared to directly owning the stocks. How to choose the right put to maximize your strategy's returns? Tiger Broker's Easy Sell Put feature intuitively displays the premiums and annualized returns of different puts, eliminating the need to manually calculate each one. This allows you to easily compare potential returns and simplifies the process of selling puts. Scroll to the Easy Sell Put section on the homepage and click See More to browse all popular puts. By selecting My Budget, you can filter out puts that your account purchasing power can cover. Click on an option to see an analysis of the strategy. To place a trade, enter the quantity and click Sell to place an order. Once the order is executed, your holdings will show -1. Your profit and loss will be based on the proportion of the realized premium.